Proteinuria is the presence of high amounts of protein in the urine. Normally, urine contains very little protein, but when the kidneys are damaged or diseased, they can leak protein from the blood into the urine. This condition can be a sign of kidney disease, including chronic kidney disease, CKD, and may also be associated with other health problems, such as diabetes, high blood pressure, and certain infections. However, a good diet can bring several benefits to kidney health and help control or even reduce proteinuria. So in this video, we'll explore 8 amazing foods that can help stop proteinuria and support kidney repair. 1. Cucumber. Cucumbers are more than just a refreshing addition to your salad. They are a source of nutrients that can benefit kidney health. With a high water content, about 95%, cucumber helps keep you hydrated, which is essential for kidney function. Cucumbers are also low in potassium, making them a safe option for those caring for kidney problems that require restricted potassium intake. 2. Grapes. Grapes are rich in antioxidants, particularly resveratrol, which is known for its anti-inflammatory and nephroprotective properties. Resveratrol helps to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 factors that contribute to kidney damage and proteinuria. Moreover, the high water content of grapes aids in maintaining hydration and supports the kidneys in flushing out waste. The antioxidants in grapes also help in reducing the levels of harmful substances in the blood, thereby reducing the burden on the kidneys. Including grapes in your diet can be beneficial for maintaining kidney health and managing conditions that lead to proteinuria. 3. Cranberries. Cranberries are renowned for their role in urinary tract health, but their benefits extend to kidney health as well. They are rich in antioxidants and phytochemicals that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are important for protecting kidney function. Cranberries contain proanthocyanidins, which inhibit the adhesion of bacteria to the urinary tract, thus preventing infections that can worsen kidney conditions. Moreover, cranberries have a low potassium and sodium content, making them a suitable choice for individuals with kidney problems. Their natural compounds also aid in reducing the risk of urinary tract infections, which can contribute to proteinuria if left untreated. 4. Watermelon. Watermelon is not only a hydrating and refreshing fruit, but also beneficial for kidney health. Its high water content supports hydration and helps the kidneys flush out toxins and waste products. This diuretic effect can aid in reducing the workload on the kidneys and managing proteinuria. Watermelon is also rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. Lycopene has been shown to protect against kidney damage and support overall kidney function. The fruit's low sodium and potassium content make it suitable for those on a restricted diet. 5. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are a nutrient-dense food that provides numerous benefits for kidney health. They are rich in vitamins A and C, both of which have antioxidant properties that help protect the kidneys from oxidative damage. Vitamin C also plays a role in reducing inflammation and supporting overall kidney function. The low potassium content of red bell peppers makes them an excellent choice for those managing kidney disease, as excessive potassium intake can be harmful. Additionally, the fiber in red bell peppers supports overall kidney health by aiding in digestion and reducing the workload on the kidneys. 6. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are packed with antioxidants, particularly polyphenol, which have anti-inflammatory and nephroprotective effects. The antioxidants in pomegranates help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which contribute to kidney damage and proteinuria. Studies have shown that pomegranate juice can improve kidney function and reduce proteinuria in individuals with chronic kidney disease. The fruit's ability to enhance blood flow and reduce inflammation makes it a valuable addition to a kidney-friendly diet. 7. Cherries. Cherries are another fruit with significant benefits for kidney health. They are high in antioxidants, including anthocyanins and quercetin, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. These antioxidants play a crucial role in preventing kidney damage and managing conditions associated with proteinuria. The potassium content in cherries is relatively moderate compared to other fruits, which helps in maintaining a balanced electrolyte level. This is important for kidney health as excessive potassium can strain the kidneys. Additionally, cherries have a diuretic effect, which helps in maintaining proper fluid balance and reducing the risk of kidney stones. 8. Blueberries. Blueberries are rich in vitamin C and K, fiber, and a high concentration of antioxidants such as anthocyanins. The high antioxidant content in blueberries helps protect the kidneys from oxidative damage. Blueberries have anti-inflammatory properties, which can reduce the inflammation associated with kidney disease. They are also low in sodium and phosphorus, making them suitable for kidney health. Eat fresh blueberries as a snack, add them to your morning smoothies, or top your oatmeal with fresh or frozen blueberries. Maintaining kidney health and managing proteinuria involves a multifaceted approach that includes dietary changes, lifestyle modifications, and medical interventions. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have chronic kidney disease or other health conditions. With the right dietary choices and medical guidance, you can take proactive steps towards improving your kidney health and managing proteinuria effectively. I trust that you enjoyed the video and click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to share the video with your friends and family.